whether you're a writer or you only illustrate, I think it is important to talk about picture book writing as well. The focus is going to be on illustration, but it's hard to separate um, illustration from writing in a book that combines the two so tightly. So we'll definitely be talking about how illustration is more than just making art based on the words. It's building that world and like adding new layers to the writing. So if you've also written your book, like we can discuss the writing and how to elevate it with the illustration. And for those who just want to focus on the illustration, yeah, we'll just also get into how you can connect with the writing when you get someone else's manuscript. How do you start thinking about building out this world for your book?